Okay, me and my two boys are busting a box of 2011 Elite. They're excited because they're going to get
a collector one or an autograph.
excited about autograph cards. It's empty.
I love autograph cards
Ryan, hold on.
and metal cards.
Uh-oh. I think I may have a booklet. So Daddy gets to open that one.
Hey.
Okay. Open that one. Open that one.
There's so much of this. Dad, that is a booklet, you know.
Just open it up like you did your last pack.
Okay.
Be real careful.
I'm trying.
Here. Okay, let me sit. Here, look, I'll get them started for you and then you can finish them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, open that.
Oh, Dad, look.
Ooh, very shiny. Ooh, Drew Brees. That's good.
Oh, you got a gold card. Dad, you
Okay.
see?
There's a Heath Miller.
Oh, Dad, you'll
be.
love this
Okay,
one.
Hey, Logan's got a, is that a jersey or a patch card? Yeah, we got a Heath Miller,
That
numbered
is
to 999. Okay, Logan, let me see that card just a second.
Oh,
buddy.
you got 3, Dad.
Let me see it.
Dad, see,
Okay.
I really wanted this.
Looks like it's a Owen Daniel,
I really
just a
wanted
jersey
this
card,
one.
numbered 220 out of 299. That's nice.
Can I open
Okay.
another pack?
Let's let Ryan get something. Here, hand me these cards. Ryan, after you open them, give them
These
to
are
me.
Daddy's cards.
Carson Palmer, Roethlisberger, Steven Jackson, Jamal Charles. Hand them to me, Logan.
They're kind of out of order.
That's okay. Drew Brees, Michael Crabtree, Fred Jackson, LeGarrette Blount, Matt Schaub.
Hey, I know
All
who
base cards.
Miles Jackson is.
Yeah.
He's one of my friends.
Jonathan Stewart, Jason Campbell, Miles Austin, Frank Gore, Arian Foster. Go ahead, Ryan.
Wow, my pack is taller than yours, Ron. Here's the paper, Daddy.
Thank you, buddy. A little bit faster, Ryan.
Oh, I think we got something good.
Okay, we might have something good, or it could be a full card.
Oh,
You got fooled. And
No.
that's what he got.
Dad, look at his card right there.
Okay, oh, okay. No Sean Marino.
Yeah,
Oh, number 331 out of 999.
Can I do mine now?
Wait, Logan, wait. We gotta let brother get something, okay? Okay, let me see. Keep going, right? Let's go. 3 minutes in. Chris Cooley, Devarius Jackson, LaDainian Thomason, Felix Jones. Here, Ryan. These are open right here.
I thought you didn't want to open cards, Mommy.
She's helping brother.
Ooh, I think Ryan got
Okay,
one.
keep going.
Got a full card, but
Another full card. Hey, Logan, will you be very careful and put that back in the cabinet?
yeah.
Don't play with it. Come on, Ryan. You got Tim Tebow, Danny Amendola, Maurice Jones-Drew, Jason Witten, Brandon Marshall.
Oh, this time we didn't get a full card.
Okay, we got something good. Let's see what we got.
Ooh, we got one. I get to do one.
Matt Forte.
Where's mine? Hey, where's mine? Is mine the biggest?
Logan, hold on just a second. It's number 242 out of 299. Nice looking jersey. Okay. Here, Logan, open that one.
Oh, I think we got some good cards.
Okay.
Here's one.
Yep.
Ooh.
Okay, Logan, you got a rookie. Who is that? Let me see
We
this.
got a reflector.
Let me see this one. Tandon Doss, after I throw it on the floor. Tandon Doss.
Your suit.
Number 220 out of 999. What's your refractor? Right?
Daddy, you got 3 right now. It's numbered 728 out of 999.
Okay, is it a rookie?
Rookie reflector.
Bruce Carter. Refractor number 728 out of 999.
Hey, Daddy.
As Ryan just said. Okay.
Here's the. That's
Got a
the
few
other.
packs opened here. D'Angelo Williams, Darren McFadden, Beanie Wells, Johnny Knox, McCoy, White, Smith, Dwayne Bowe, Tom Brady, Vernon Wells, Pierre Garcon, Nate Washington, Percy Harvin.
That's not real. Oh,
Ryan.
Dad,
Look
you
at
might
that.
love this card that Ryan got.
Okay. Hit list. Chris Lofton. What's at number 2? Again, 813 out of 999. Calvin Johnson,
Hey, Mommy.
Sam Bradford.
Mommy, do you hear this sound?
Oh, Mr. Peyton Manning and Donovan McNabb.
The Peyton Manning?
Yep. Here, Logan, open those. Okay, somewhere between those two and these two, there should be another rookie, I think. Another autograph. Should be an autograph.
Dad, there's one. I guess what that reminds me of. That dolphin. Dolphin Tail? Yeah, that's my favorite movie. It reminds me
You know, coming from a 5-year-old. Opening
Dad,
cards.
I taped it in order.
Okay, open that one for me, Logan. Ron, open this one.
It's
Go
good
ahead.
card. What?
Ryan
You got some cards.
Terrain, Woodhead, Daniel Thomas, Anquan Bolden, Hakeem Nicks.
Ooh, here's one, Daddy.
Oh, yeah, let me see that one. It's Alex Green, rookie.
Oh,
Number
Huh.
999.
we got 4 now.
Good. Okay. Here, Ron.
Kept them in order again.
Open that one.
And I kept them in order
Okay,
again.
Logan, you get one more pack right here. This one.
Oh.
Steve Preston, Marquis
Hope I get a
Colston,
real
Matt
good
Forte, Heaney, and Michael Vick.
Oh, I don't get a good one.
Okay, come on.
I think we've got something good in here.
Ooh, it's number 10 out of 50. Come on, let's see what it is.
Here's a reflector.
Okay, good job, Logan.
Ooh,
Who
got
is it?
half jersey, half patch.
Ooh, Stephon Ridley. Nice patch. Is it New Breed? Look at that patch. Number 10 out of 50. Which is cool because that's mine and Ryan's baseball number. Do you see that, Ryan?
10 out of 50.
Number 10 out of 50. A nice chunk of patch. Okay.
Here's some.
You got Logan Devin Hester, Mr. Return Man, Deshaun Jackson, John Clay, numbered 999 rookie,
Oop, I think we got
Colt McCoy,
have a
Antonio Gates.
Legends card.
Legends,
Legends of the Fall. One more, Daddy.
Larry Fitzgerald. That's numbered
I can't open
999. Okay. Yeah, you split them here. You open that one right there. Open that one and that one. Come on, here, let's hurry. We're going on 9 minutes. Okay.
Well, you got it that time,
Okay,
Dad.
just open it. Come on.
It's squeaky noise. Hope I get a good card.
Here, wait. There you go.
Oh, we got a die cut. Oh!
Hey, okay. Who did you get, Logan? You got another autograph card. Okay.
I don't remember
Turn of
me
the
getting an
century.
autograph
There's a
card.
Brandon Harris. Autograph rookie number 211 out of 499. It's a nice autograph. BH. Way to take your time and sign that. Okay, who have you got? Let me see.
We have a rookies Jim Smith die cut.
Jimmy Smith. Okay. Aspirations number 63 out of 97. Nice. Okay. You need help, Logan? Cutler, Macklin, Tolbert, Jennings, Floyd, Forsett, Gerard, Driver, Williams, Manningham. Should have been MVP right there with that amazing catch he had in the Super Bowl. Josh Cribbs, Matt Stafford, Wes Welker, Benson, Wallace, Castle, Flacco. Okay, what do you got?
Rookie Ryan Williams.
Okay.
Oh, Ryan, he has your name.
Ryan Williams, number 999. Nice refractor. Got Reggie Wayne,
that
Larry
one's
Fitz,
shiny.
Mendenhall, Aaron Rodgers. Okay, let me see what you got, Logan.
Look at this.
Just be careful because those are the jerseys.
Here's one.
Okay, let me see.
Here's one. Here's one. Here's one.
Okay, good
Here's
job.
one.
Okay, alright, we got
Ryan.
Lewis, Ryan, Bush, Fitz, and Javad Best. Well, we got 4 hits, so I may be the one that was
That's the
full
one I
on
got.
this really
I
thick
wanna
pack
feel
right
mine.
here.
I want to feel
Okay.
mine.
Let's open this and see what we got.
Awesome.
Nope, we did get a book. Throwback Threads. You see that?
Where's the book?
Hold on, Logan. I'm gonna show it to you. Right there. Boom. Throwback Threads. We got something in here. Let's see who it is. Pull it from the back. Oh, come on. I hope that's autographed. Ooh, solid player. Eli Manning, Mr. Super Bowl MVP. Chad Johnson, Zach Miller, Tony Romo, John Carlson, and 32 out of 99, which is probably just going to be jerseys, but look at the players. Emmitt Smith, which looks
I really
dirty,
want that book.
and Eric Dickerson.
When do I get a book?
That's a nice pack.
Hey, Daddy.
Number 32 out of 99. Alright guys, this video went for a long time, but thanks for watching.